friends here are going to draw ghost friends.
Yeah, we're going to draw 2 ghosts. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but they can use whatever they want.
Yeah.
What else do they need?
Paper.
Yeah, and?
Something to color with.
Yeah, something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's draw 1 ghost on the left, and we'll draw another ghost on the right. The first ghost, though, on the left, we're going to draw lower. And let's draw it coming up like this. We're going to draw an upside down U. And then we're going to draw it coming back down. I kind of have it curved a little bit, but you can just draw it straight if you want. There you go. Around. You did it. Good job. And down here at the bottom, see, mine's kind of far away, and yours is close. And your ghost looks a little different, and that's okay, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, remember to have fun and practice. It's okay if their ghosts look different too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell them they're doing a good job.
You're doing an amazing job.
Yeah, you are. All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Now let's draw the bottom of our ghost. I'm going to draw a wavy line like this to the other side and then connect it. That's a really cute ghost. Okay, now let's draw the other ghost, and we're going to draw it a little higher. I'm going to start here so that it kind of looks like it's getting close to the other ghost. You're going to come around like this, and back down, and yes. I like that. Your ghost is a little bit bigger on this side. Then let's do the same thing for the bottom of our ghost. Let's draw a wavy line to connect. Yeah, perfect. There's our 2 ghost shapes. Now, what are our ghosts missing?
His face.
Yeah, and her face. We're going to draw a boy and a girl, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and first let's draw the mouth. Or you could draw the eyes, and you could also draw your ghost different. You don't have to draw it the same. I'm going to draw a straight line for the mouth, and then I'll keep going, but you can change yours too. So there's my mouth, and then I'm going to draw a tongue like this, and then color in the top. Oh, yours looks like a cat or a dog. Which one is it?
Cat.
A cat. Don't forget the whiskers.
Oh, yeah.
I love that you changed yours to an animal. Oh, cute.
It's a cat ghost.
A cat ghost. And then I'm going to draw eyes for mine, too.
I'm going to draw the ears, too.
Okay. I love that yours is completely different. And then we're going to draw, I'm going to add eyelashes on this one. Like this. Oh, and I'm going to draw a little bow for this one. You got ears. Okay, now let's draw another face over here. And I'm going to draw a different one. I'm going to draw this one like this, really happy. And I'm going to curve around, kind of like my witch ghost. And I'm going to draw the eyes like this. Oh, I'm going to draw teeth too.
Let's do like that, and then like that.
I like that. You could add a little tongue inside. Oh, is that the teeth? Oh, that's awesome. I love it. And then do you want to draw eyes too? We also added hearts, and I also love how you finished your face on your ghost.
Thank you.
We're not completely done, right?
We still need a color.
Yes, my favorite part. And our ghosts are white, but we're going to add a little shading to make them look more 3D.
Yeah.
This part will fast forward, but you guys can pause the video at the end if you want to match your same coloring.
Yes.
All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing our ghost friends, and yours turned out perfect. I especially love these little extra shadows we added at the bottom.
It makes it look like they're floating.
Yeah, they do look like they're floating above the ground, like real ghosts.
Yeah.
I really like your cat ghost, and I like the pink cheeks that you added. I also added my little bow, and we colored our hearts different. You colored yours red and mine orange.
Yeah. You're going to add even more things to your drawing.
Like what?
The background.
The background would be awesome. It could be a spooky background. Ooh, yeah, maybe with a haunted house or more ghosts.
Or even pumpkins.
Pumpkins would be awesome.
We hope you have fun drawing ghost friends with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.